Hello friends, today we are going to learn English Balbharati Standard 4, Lesson number 2, Aesop Fables. The Dog in the Manger. Once a dog was looking for a nice and comfortable place to lie down. He came to the manger of an ox and jumped onto the hay to rest. Manger means long open box in a cattle shed. Cattle eat hay kept for them in the manger. Hay means cut and dried grass used as food for animals. This is a manger. It was very hot afternoon. The ox returned from the field. He had worked hard in the hot sun and was now quite hungry. He stood in his stall and was planning to eat the hay that was put in the manger for him. Stall means part of cattle shed or stable. Generally, each animal has one stall for himself. However, when he reached for the hay, the dog saw him standing in the manger. He began to bark loudly at the ox. Each time that the ox came near the hay, the dog snarled, barked, and snapped at the ox. He would not allow the ox to eat his hay. Oxen are generally peace-loving and patient animals. But finally, the ox got upset and spoke firmly. Dog, if wanted to share my dinner with me, I would not mind it. But you neither eat the hay nor allow me to enjoy it. It is of no use to you. Then why don't you let me have my favorite food? Don't begrudge others what you don't enjoy yourself. Begrudge means be unwilling to give. Be unhappy that someone is getting something. Moral of the story is don't begrudge others what you don't enjoy yourself. Thank you friends.